Remove all of the items from the boxes. Place the bag with the broccolini into a pot of gently simmering water for 3 minutes. Open the bag with the tomatoes and place all of the contents into a container. Open the bags with the corn stalk, the barley grain, and the corn into a small pot. Heat up over medium-high heat until the stock simmers. Reduce the heat to medium and simmer the pearl barley for 1 minute. Add the Parmesan butter from the bag and salt and pepper to taste. Mix well and cook for another minute. Once a risotto has a nice creamy consistency, place it in the center of a preheated bowl. Remove the broccolini from the simmering water, open the bag, and arrange the broccolini nicely on top of the risotto. Place the cherry tomatoes and some of the olive oil around the risotto. Garnish with a sprig of fresh herb and serve immediately.